3, 2, 1, and we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, can we all clap, please, with a distance? Thank you. The unveiling is all right now. When we'll do the countdown. So, everybody, welcome to Le Méridien New Delhi, and the people who have joined us live. Thank you so very much for joining us here. As we all know, the year has ended, but the positivity and the blaze has not ended within us. Let the end of the year raise the positivity, raise the happiness, raise the motivation and the aspirations within us. So as we all know, Christmas is not truly Christmas without celebrating it, without giving the light of love to the people who need it the most. And in 2020, we all realized that all we need is the light of love. So let us all celebrate the light of love, the light of hope, the light of love, the light of hope, and the light of motivation by unveiling this masterpiece behind me. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we have a unique Christmas tree, just like every year Le Méridien does. So are we all ready to enlighten and unveil the Christmas tree, which gives the ray of hope, sunshine, light, and happiness? So people out there watching me online, I want you all to do the countdown within me. So yes, you guys, the people who are liking it, putting hearts, saying hi, saying yes, we have to start with 10. So we'll start with 10, and the few people out here standing in front of me, within a distance, will also do the countdown with me, right? Can I hear you, right? We need more energy because we are less of us. Can we do the countdown right away? I like it. That's the spirit we all wanted. We all want our spirits to be high, and people out there, yours too. So we'll start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go with our Christmas tree.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle in a one-horse open sleigh.
So ladies and gentlemen, I know after looking at the tree, you have so many questions in your mind. To solve the same, we have here with us our Vice President and General Manager, Ms. Meena Bhatia, coming on the stage and telling you the concept of the tree. Please, can we clap for her, please?
Good evening, everybody. It's time again to start the Christmas celebrations. Christmas is actually synonymous. We are still being cautious. We will be careful. We will be cautious, but we will celebrate. And that's the message I want to share today with all of you who are joining us. So let's start. Let's be careful, but let's continue to pray for a happier, brighter tomorrow. Join us today, tomorrow for Christmas and for New Year, and let us together build a brighter future. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I would request Nehmat to please join us for a minute. And Nehmat is now going to take you on a small curated tour of the art exhibition that we have put together. So over to you, Nehmat.
Thank you so much. I would really thank Le Méridien for giving us this opportunity to take part in this exhibition and contribute in our capacity. I would really appreciate if you commission for a brighter and a vibrant future for tomorrow with all these florals and these beautiful works which have a play of shadow which brightens everyone up. And we have his work here. He's a horse rider and he kind of couldn't stop himself, but it's expressing his love for his horses, the movement, the rhythm, everything is captured in his work. I'm so glad to have you all here, and it was a wonderful time and a wonderful experience to be here at Le Méridien. And thank you so much. And further, I would like to hand over the microphone.
Hello everybody, welcome back to me. I would also like to add that Nehmat is also master in from National School of Design. I believe you missed that. Did you tell them, Nehmat? I did over there.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, the best part of today's evening, we have our Santa Claus. Santa, say hi. So say hi. And Santa is here with the safe distance, with the mask and everything. So we can all meet Santa as well this year, but with a distance. So, Santa, were you supposed to be quarantined for 14 days after you came from the North Pole? Yes. Yes. Oh, I hope you're safe now. So, the Santa has been tested negative. Now we can go. So, now what we can do is we can go. We can see. I'll show you something very interesting. Before we end the day with the carol singing, I'll tell you about some very nice hampers. Come. And Preeti, you can turn on that camera. Thank you so much. Thank you, Joel. Thank you. So before we start with the carol singing and end on the best note ever, I would like to tell you, do join us for brunch on the 25th with the open sky, with some carol singing and some Christmas food. But how can you forget about our hampers? Let me get those hampers. We have such wonderful hampers with us. Can I just roll it here? Would you mind? Oh, such nice hampers we have with the rolling balls. See, you can have a look right now and take them later. Contact us. Thank you. And now it's the time for some carol singing. Before I sign out, thank you so much all for joining us live, people who joined us virtually, physically, mentally, and thank you for being with us this time. And now, this is Abhishek Kamboj signing off from Le Méridien, New Delhi with the wonderful carol singing. Thank you.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows whether you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, our carol singers? Santa Claus is already here in the town. Thank you. Thank you.